Hello guys, this is Bea here. Today we are going to be about Shush! As you can see, I have clearly gone out of control from my bike. Alright, I just put it up. Here you can see that this is Santa Rita Village. It is only here in the Philippines. So if you are from the Philippines, come here and meet me. As you can see, there are people that are like me here. Some not going out sometimes, some going out. Sorry. But tomorrow, I will go out, but only for a few hours. So, I only bike when it's 3 or 4 p.m. So if you are from around here, in the Santa Rita village, come bike with me. We will bike together in this village. I don't know what to say now, but no. I'm just gonna turn and it's very much peaceful here. But sometimes there are windows or earthquakes, tornadoes, and last year it rained too much. It even did a downpour and flood. So if you are a Filipino, kamusta? And if you are from around here, hello. Of course, nagtatagalog ako.